The new Beta 25 horsepower engine we bought is a lot smaller than the engine we had, the water motor Sea Panther. So we're going to have to remove these brackets because you can see the old marks here for the engine mounts. Well, the new engine mounts are going to be about here. So we're going to take these away and have some made, or we'll make some ourselves, that are a bit wider. So the new engine is going to sit on the new brackets, and it's probably going to come forward a bit. That's where the old ones were, but this engine's a lot smaller, so it's either going to sit here or it's going to sit here forward, which would be better. And we'll have to have a new prop shaft made to bring it up to the new gearbox, and maybe even we'll have to drop these brackets down a bit so the couplings meet nice and comfortably. That's the old stuffing box.
The task of fitting your own engine can seem overwhelming. In this video, I've tried to make it as simple as possible. Start by thinking it all fits around your prop shaft, and this is the only piece that cannot be moved. There are three parts to engine alignment. Number one, center your prop shaft in the stern tube. This is critical. Number two, place the ends of your engine bearers in relation to your gearbox shaft and where it will be. 3. Align your engine bearers parallel to your prop shaft.
There you go. That's one out. One done.
Alright?
Yep.
Alright, are we alright still?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, keep coming.
How much do you want to go down?
About another 6 inches. Okay.
Alright, once the feet are on, I'll tell him to lower it.
Yeah. Okay.
Down?
Yeah, that's it.
Can we unhook the engine now?
Yeah.
There we go. Engine is in. Our tiny baby looking engine. So much smaller than our old one. It's unbelievable. Look at that space on around we've got now. Loads and loads of space. And at the back. So the prop shaft is in. It looks like the first alignment is pretty good.
Yeah, just need to drop the gearbox half a centimetre.
No, it's not too bad. Brilliant.
Yep.
Oh my god, it's so cute actually. I can't believe how small it is. We could fit two in here.
Yeah, I can certainly get one behind it.
Yeah. Our baby engine. Oh.